Greetings, adventurers. Good morning. It is a beautiful 59 degrees, nice cool morning. And I'm here at Hay Creek Forest Management Unit, and we're going to do a day hike about 6 miles long. Alright, good morning. Welcome to Happy Trail Backpacking. If you're new here and you like hiking and exploring nature, hit that subscribe button. Join me every Monday for another hike, another exploration, an adventure. So today we're at Hay Creek Forest Management Unit, which is a hardwood state forest just south of Red Wing, Minnesota. There is a whole bunch of horse trails, bike trails, hiking trails all over this area. And I picked out a loop. It's about 6 miles long. It's kind of a figure eight loop. And I've never been here before, so you can check this place out. And maybe keep an eye out for some good dispersed camping spots, because this, like I said, it's a state forest. Beautiful morning. It's a beautiful day, but it's a little hazy from the fires up in Canada. I can smell the smoke in the air. Other than that, beautiful day though. Already these big trees here are eastern black walnut, and it's kind of cool. It's like walking down this big hallway with these giants on the side of the trail. About 2 miles in, maybe a little more. Just a nice little campsite here. A couple picnic tables, a hitching post, a bench. Stop here and take a little break, eat a banana. I also wanted to mention something that I forgot to mention in my last video. For a long time, for about the last 10 years, I had a lot of problems with my teeth. So it took me a while, but I finally was able to manage getting some implants done. I feel really good about it. It's been about a month, and I'm still healing up. I'm getting used to them, but in a couple of months, I'll be able to eat just about whatever I want, and it'll be nice to be able to, eat some trail mix or granola bars on the trail again. Yeah, so you might have noticed that, but I forgot to mention it in my last video. So when I went on my road trip out east and did all my high points and stuff, that I was able to make a few extra videos to cover the time that I was for my surgery and everything like that. So I'm back on the trail. The trail turned off onto this nice little single track trail, and it's going through just a beautiful area with a mixed pine and ash forest. It's awesome. There's some oak and some elm mixed in. Gorgeous. Here you go, wild rhubarb. It's nice to come out to this big field here, this wide open space. There's corn growing here. Beautiful. It's been kind of sprinkling on and off for a little bit. Alright, adventurers. I'm arriving here at the parking lot. By the way, down in the description, I leave a link to the trailhead I started at, as well as a Gaia GPS map of the trail that I hiked, if you want to check that out. This is a pretty nice place. By the way, here at the trailhead there is a fire pit, or a grill, picnic tables, a little picnic shelter. So you could come have a day here. There's a little outhouse over there. And plenty of trails to hike on. The trails are pretty good. I feel like they're pretty well maintained. There was only like 2 down trees and that whole time. Pretty quiet place too. I didn't see anyone except for 2 people on horses. And they were probably the trucks here in the parking lot when I got here, but they're gone now. Beautiful hardwood forest. Lots of walnuts. Walnut trees everywhere. Some pines mixed in here and there. But it was just a beautiful, thick, healthy forest. It was awesome. There's plenty of other trails I could have gone off. There was little trails here and there going all over the place into the forest. I could have gone and explored. There's probably campsites back there. Great place. By the way, I misspoke earlier. This is Hay Creek Forest Management Unit, but this is part of the Richard J. Dorer State Forest. So it's Richard J. Dorer State Forest, but this section is called the Hay Creek Forest Management Unit. Great place. I'm gonna think about coming back here to do some overnight camping sometime. Thanks everyone for joining me and joining in the adventure. And I will catch you next Monday right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.